Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a flashlight. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. This is the flashlight that I'll be showing you, that I'll be using for this demonstration and showing you how to use. But most flashlights are going to operate in a very similar way, so you can probably take these instructions and apply them to your flashlight, either directly or just with, changing a few things here and there. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that your flashlight has power. So in the case of this one, there's a rechargeable battery pack, but you can also use batteries. So either way, one way or another, you want to make sure that the flashlight has power. Make sure it's charged up or make sure it has batteries, whatever the case is. Make sure it has power, okay? The next thing in terms of using a flashlight is turning it on and off. Now, it's either going to be a switch that goes sort of forward and back, okay? Or it's going to be a button. In most modern cases, it's going to be a button, but like I said, some of them might still use a switch. So to turn it on and off, you're probably just going to have to push the button. So right now it's off. As you can see, I'm going to push the button nice and hard, and it is on, okay? Just as you can see right there, it is on. I'll just kind of shine it back here. It is on. I know it looks like it's like, strobing, but I think that's just the frame rate of the camera. All right, so the flashlight is on, okay? So now that it's on, you can also turn it off by pushing that button again. So I'm going to turn it off just like that. Push the button to turn it on, push the button to turn it off. Very simple. And like I said, you might have a switch in place of the button. That also works as well. Now, when it is on, you might have a way, you're likely going to have a way to adjust the strobe in terms of it being wider or more narrow and more concentrated. Now, and sometimes you might have to turn the tip of the flashlight to make that happen. But in this case, you just move the tip further away and closer towards the handle, just like that. So you're either going to have to turn the tip or just extend or retract the tip. So take a look over here. I'm going to shine it, turn it on and shine it against there. And you can see it is super narrow and bright. And I'm going to bring it towards and it's wider and not as bright. Just like that, as you can see. Okay? That's the next thing. Okay, easy. Now, last but not least, your flashlight might have an ability to change it to like a strobe or something like that. So in the case of this flashlight, if I just lightly press on the button without fully pressing that power button, if I just lightly press on it, it's going to change it. So check this out. Let's make it more narrow and I'll show you. Check this out. Okay, I got to press a little bit harder than that. There you go. So that was that's a different mode. I guess that's like a dim mode. And then we have a flashing mode. And then back to full brightness, dim, flashing, just like that. Okay, so there's different modes that you can choose, and that's on this flashlight, but a lot of flashlights are going to have that option as well. And that's it. And then last but not least, in terms of changing the battery, most likely you're going to have to unscrew something and then you'll be able to change the battery. So in this case, I think it's over here. Yeah. So if I unscrew this over here, okay, it will allow me to access the batteries and then I can change them. So in this case, there's a battery pack in here. You can see, oh, this is the rechargeable one. So there's rechargeable battery packs that came with these. And then there's also a thing that you can put regular batteries in to make it function. So this is the rechargeable battery pack that's in here. So I can take this out and I can recharge it over there. And then when it's done, being recharged, I can put it back in just like that, and I can tighten this on. So you're going to be able to either get, charge it or change the batteries or access a rechargeable battery pack in some way or another on your flashlight, most likely. And it's likely going to be something that you can unscrew towards the end. But yours might also just have a charging port somewhere on the actual handle of it. But yeah, that's it. That is how to use a flashlight, a full tutorial. Hopefully you liked it. And yeah, I got nothing else to say. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.